comes that bumpkin sound. I'm curious cause no one to get down. Got 30 acres and Frisian cows. I'm representing Taunton Town. Give me 10p, I'll give you a pound. You don't understand the way I sound. I got ruddy cheeks and dimples. I like hearing say pure and simple. Takes me out to lunch and I will let you pay. Come into my barn and help me roll some hay. I really want to go scrumping with you, and I will be your Somerset boy. She said, have you met my sister that looks like your dad? I've never been to Yeovil, but I wish that I had. Don't eat foreign food and just prefer chips and pie. I like to point at cars and watch the traffic going by. I talk with all the animals in the countryside. I don't eat lettuce and I like my food to be fried. I speak like Wurzel Gummidge if you'd like me to try. Cause I am just a Somerset boy, a Somerset boy. Take me out to lunch and I will let you pay. Come into my barn and help me roll some hay. I really want to go scrumping with you, and I will be your Somerset boy. Can we get away this weekend? Take me to Bristol. We can ride the buses and then jump in big puddles. Take me to your hood. Are your trees made out of wood? I've never been to Weston-super-Mare. Is it good?